To continue your journey to learn, make sure you click the subscribe button right here and the bell icon too.
Thank you.